Okay, an essential part of the ultimate color moving system is the floor plan map. I'm going to draw a floor plan for just one level. That's what this particular client is moving into. So you just do a rough sketch of the house. It doesn't have to be fancy in any way, shape, or form. I am not an artist. Okay, so basically this is the front door, and this is into the kitchen. That's the kitchen. This is the dining room. This is the living room. And then there are, look at how amazing this is. Something to this effect. Okay. All right, so this is the laundry, utility. This is the master bedroom. This is Amy's office in this case. This is Tommy's office. And then living room, dining room, kitchen, okay? So what you do is you take your color sticker. So this is kitchen is 2 colors, white and red, because we ran out of boxes. Living room is pink. See if I can remember these off the top of my head. I cannot. And primary bedroom is orange. Amy's office is yellow. Take it over that, you can see it through it. And Tommy's office is light green. And then laundry and utility are blue and light blue. So these are little bitty. So you got blue and light blue. If I were taking more time, I would actually cut these. Okay, so that's the basic gist. So you hang this on the wall, on the doorway of the place. And so when the movers come in, they don't have to be able to read. They can just see the color, look at the floor plan, and figure out where to put the boxes, what room to put them in. So for example, these boxes are red, they're for the kitchen, so we're gonna actually pile them in the dining room. And we will be there to supervise the movers to show them exactly where to stick the boxes, but they should be able to walk in the door and figure out what room they go in. Then all you do is you look at the color of the boxes, the stack, to make sure everything matches. And if it doesn't match these colors, you ask the movers kindly to move it to the correct room. And that saves your back from lifting all the boxes.